Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company and another car for sale video. I've got this lovely 5 Series to show you today. This one is a 2015 530D M Sport. It's such a nice car. It's done 139, but that represents true value for money. Let's have a little look around it. We'll point out the stuff as we go. It's finished in this called carbon Schwartz. So it's a black, but in certain sunlights it does look blue as well. It's a fantastic colour. We've got absolutely immaculate alloys all the way around, gloss black wheels. They've just been refurbished. We've got good tyres all the way around as well. While we're down here, it's also got brand new discs and pads on the front, look. And down the side of the car, it's incredibly straight and tidy. You can see it's got the privacy glass, look there, from the B pillar backwards. It's got the little bits of chrome on the door handles, look. It's such a good looking car. Again, lovely clean wheel look, and again you can see in there, look, that the discs and pads are brand new. We've got a good tyre on the back, and if we get down the side you can see there's no little ripples or dents, or you know, it's super clean. Around the back of the car we've got the parking sensors on the rear, again, and we've actually got the little spoiler, which I think on this shape of 5 Series really is lovely. It's just very subtle, very nice. Have a look inside. We have a huge boot in one of these, obviously. Yeah, nothing to really say about this. It's all in good condition. Boot lid here, look, it's not all scratched and marked. The plastics are all in nice order. It's got the toolkit. It's got the locking wheel nut. As we come around this side, again, as we go down the side, it's nice and straight. We've got another lovely gloss black wheel. That looks really good, I think, because the paintwork is that sort of blue black, and these black, they just contrast it really well. And another good tyre there, look. So let's have a little look inside. We've got the Dakota black leather and the aluminium trim. Leather's in good order. Got that little bit of accent stitching across there, which looks nice. If we look in the back here, this is all nice. These are all in good condition. Seat backs, look, they're not all kicked in. Sometimes if I've had kids in the back, these get all scratched and marked, but again, it's been really well cared for. I suspect it's had it's not had a family, because again, you can see in here, look, it's all really straight and tidy. That's the damage. If you have kids, that's where the damage comes. It certainly is in my car. Aluminium door trims, M Sport. Again, leather's all in good condition. Look, leather over there is in nice order as well. Again, just this little bit of stitching, it's nice. We've got electric seats both sides. Let's have a look inside. So, while I've got it up, we've got service history here. So, we've got the first bit of history on here, and then the rest is in the booklet. So let's do that now. So you can see here, look, we've got 2016 at 15, 2017 at 32, 39, 47, whoops, 49, 54, 57, 64 and 70, and then from there it moves into a booklet. Moved out because this had all been done either BMW or a BMW specialist to enter it onto this online system. And then we've got this one from here. It starts at 81, 89, 22. It's worth noting here it had a timing chain in 2022. Very expensive job, good job it's been done. Yeah, nice to see that it's been done. 2023 at 111, and we've got on 123, 130 and 137, and it's now done 139, so no need for a service for a while. Also in here we've got climate, heated seats, it's the sat nav, it's the Bluetooth, it's got everything you'd expect in here. We've got the multifunction M Sport steering wheel with speed limiter, your flappy paddle gearbox, your telephone and everything all from there. All 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic lights. There are electric folding dimmable mirrors. But honestly, best thing, please have a look at the advert, because we've got the full specification in the advert, and I can't remember it all off the top of my head. Oh, Harman Kardon as well, look, that's got that as well. It makes a real difference, it really does. Last alloy, and again you can see, look, the discs and pads are brand new. Another excellent tyre. Just looks like such a lot of car. This car would have been best part of £50,000 when it was new. Now, because it's got a few miles on it, it's fantastic value for money. It still drives like a new car. It's fantastic, drives incredibly well. No bangs, no squeaks, no rattles. It's smooth, it's beautiful, it's fast. Everything you could want from a car. It's lovely. Have a look on the advert for all the specification, please. It's at murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. There you'll find our contact information. You'll find our telephone number, email address. Have a look on Google, we've got great reviews. We can arrange finance, we're happy to take your car in part exchange, all the usual stuff. But what a car, what great value for money. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.